Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make some crochet heart earrings. So we're going to need two colors of cotton 8-ply yarn, some crochet Shepard hooks. I'm using a 4mm crochet hook, and you'll also need some nose pliers. So I'm going to grab my first color, and we are starting off with a magic circle. So you grab your yarn, you have the tail coming to the end of your hand, wrap the yarn around your two fingers, forming a cross, and then you'll pinch it at that cross, grab your hook, put it through the middle of the circle, grabbing the yarn, and then you'll wrap the yarn around the hook and pull it through these two loops, and then you'll chain up 3. You're then going to do 3 treble crochet, so you wrap the yarn around the hook twice, insert into the middle of the circle, pull the yarn through, wrap the yarn around the hook, pull it through 2 loops, wrap the yarn around the hook, pull through 2, wrap the yarn around the hook, and pull through 2. And do that for another 2 times. So wrap the yarn around the hook twice, insert, pull the yarn through, wrap around the hook, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Insert, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. You'll then do 3 double crochets, so you wrap the yarn around the hook once, insert your hook, pull it through, pull through 2, and pull through 2. And you'll do that for a total of 3. And on your 3rd double crochet, you will then chain up 1, and we'll do another treble crochet. So wrap the yarn around the hook twice, insert your hook, pull the yarn through, wrap the yarn around the hook, pull it through 2, pull through 2, and then pull through 2. And you can tug on the tail to close up the circle a bit. We're going to chain up 1, and we're basically mirroring the side that we did. So we're going to place 3 double crochet, and then 3 treble crochet. Once you've completed your final treble crochet, you'll chain up 3, insert your hook into the middle of the circle, and you'll place a slip stitch. You will then cut and tie off your yarn. So that is your first heart created. And just give the tail at the back a bit of a tug. Going to grab my red yarn, and I'm going to insert it in the bottom of the chain 3 that we did at the beginning of the row. So attaching our yarn and tying it on. I'm also going to be crocheting over both of the tails so I don't have to weave them in at the end. So you're going to insert your hook, going to chain up 1, insert back into that same stitch, pull the yarn through, and we're going to do a single crochet. And then go into the next stitch, This may be a little bit difficult, but you just gotta wiggle your hook through, going into the top of the final chain 3, and then we're going to insert our hook into the stitch of the first treble crochet. I'm going to place 2 single crochet, and then into the next stitch going to place 1 single crochet, and you're just going to place 1 single crochet until you get to the bottom treble. In the chain 1, place 1 single crochet, we've now reached the treble stitch. So place 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, place a single crochet in the chain 1 stitch, and then 1 single crochet all the way up until you reach the final treble stitch. In this final treble stitch, place 2 single crochets, and then you'll place a single crochet in each of the chains. Place a slip stitch in the middle of the circle, and then place another slip stitch in the first single crochet that we did. You'll then cut and tie off your yarn. And that is your first heart completed. So you will just repeat that process and make a second heart. We're going to now grab our hook and our pliers, and we're going to open up the bottom of it, get our heart, and then where we did the slip stitch in the center, insert the hook, grab our pliers, and then just close up the circle. Close up the hook and grab the next one, open it up, insert it through one of the stitches at the center, and then close up the hook. And there you have it. 2 cute little heart earrings that will be great for Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any more video suggestions, please leave a comment down below. And please like and subscribe, as it will help out my channel a lot. Have a great day.